what is the problem with this whole idea of speak up? Framing the question as speaking up. It's not the most appropriate question to someone who's struggling to articulate their thoughts. First thing we have to understand is that thoughts come from a position of emotions and feelings until they become knowing and becomes language and memory and so on. And that's neuroscience. So in order to come to a position that why don't you speak up, we are assuming that this person is a rational being and they know very well why they did or did not do certain things. I would rather frame it in a different way, which is to say, what would you like to share and where would you like to begin? Because then I respect this person as a full being who needs to connect with his emotions, turn them into feelings, and then that becomes their knowledge and their language. And that takes both patience and perseverance as a leader to understand how important it is to meet the whole person. And that doesn't happen very often, because our questions almost always start with, why did you not follow the process? Why did you not speak up? Why did you not do this or did that? And we lose that embodied person, the full person.